Accidentally deleting your Chrome profile can be stressful, but often data can be recovered. This video will guide you through the recovery process, focusing on restoring your bookmarks, passwords, and other user data. The success of recovery depends largely on whether you had Chrome Sync enabled. A Chrome profile contains all your personalized browser data, including bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, installed extensions, and your browser settings. This data is stored locally in a specific folder on your computer. On Windows, it's typically located at users username app data local Google Chrome udata. You can find the exact path in Chrome settings under About Version, where it shows the profile path. In the file system, this appears as the user data folder containing your profile data. When you delete a Chrome profile, you're essentially removing this folder and everything inside it from your computer. The first and most crucial step is to determine if you had Chrome Sync enabled with your Google account. If you were signed in and syncing, your data is backed up in the cloud and recovery is significantly easier. Go to your Google account dashboard at accounts.google.com to verify your sync settings and data. If sync was enabled, simply sign back into Chrome with the same Google account. Chrome will automatically begin syncing your data, restoring your bookmarks, passwords, extensions, and settings. Go to Settings, You and Google, Sync and Google Services to ensure sync is active. In late 2025, data can be restored directly from your Google account dashboard, with options for selective restoration. If sync was disabled, recovery is more challenging and depends on local backups. Check your recycle bin on Windows or trash on Mac OS for the deleted Chrome profile folder. If found, restore it to its original location. For deeper recovery, consider using data recovery software like Recuva or Disk Drill to scan your drive for deleted files, but note that full recovery isn't guaranteed. For Windows users, System Restore can revert your computer to a previous state before the Chrome profile was deleted. This tool restores system files and settings without affecting personal data. To access System Restore, go to Control Panel, search for Create a Restore Point, and select System Restore. Choose a restore point from before the deletion occurred. In the System Properties window, ensure System Restore is enabled for your drive, then proceed with the restore process. Remember, System Restore focuses on system settings and may not directly recover Chrome profile data if the deletion happened after the restore point. On macOS, Time Machine provides a simple way to restore your Chrome profile folder from a previous backup. In Time Machine settings, select your backup disk and enable automatic backups. This ensures regular snapshots of your files. To restore, enter Time Machine, navigate to the Chrome profile folder location, and select a backup from before the deletion. Click Restore to recover the Chrome profile folder with all its contents. Keep in mind that both tools work best with regular backups, and success varies based on how recently backups were made. Unsynced data might be irretrievable if overwritten, meaning once the storage space is used again, recovery becomes impossible. Encryption can complicate recovery because it requires the correct keys to decrypt data. And if those are lost, access becomes difficult or impossible. As of Chrome 131 Plus, AI-assisted detection can prompt users with recovery options upon accidental deletion, potentially reducing data loss incidents. Enable sync and regular backups to avoid permanent loss, as this ensures your data is stored in multiple locations. Recovery is most reliable for synced profiles, with success rates over 90% for users who enable Google Sync. Chrome is increasingly integrating with cloud services like Google Drive and OneDrive for automatic profile backups. This cloud-first approach ensures your data is safely stored and easily recoverable across devices. Expect future Chrome versions to include AI-driven predictive backups. These intelligent systems will detect accidental deletions and prompt users with recovery options or even auto-revert changes, significantly reducing data loss incidents. Chrome is moving toward more granular controls for data restoration, allowing you to exclude sensitive information during recovery. The future brings seamless, AI-enhanced recovery integrated with advanced interfaces like AR and VR for browsing. To stay ahead of these trends, always enable Chrome Sync. This simple step ensures effortless data recovery and aligns with the proactive data protection that future browser versions will emphasize.